We are submitting 2,928 objections against your notifications and public notices that are come out with related to 39A. Under 39A, you all have proposed all our paddy fields in my constituency, Benaulim constituency, Khazan lands, Nallas, as NDA, proposed for NDZ and recommended for NDA. So people do not want this. We have also submitted around 452 objections in the first batch. This is 2,928 in the second batch. So total comes to 3,380 objections filed as of today. We still have more time to submit. This number of objections in a common man's language is good enough for you to know that sitting in the office, your department cannot tell what to propose, what not to propose. A proper regional plan is the mechanism if you want to change anything. NDZ does not come under TCP purview. It is a CRZ matter. So can you tell me why are you all doing this? People are getting upset. People are not liking this method of doing this. What is that is your, why are you enforcing this upon us? Why? क्यों कर रहे हो आप ये?
I will, whatever you are bringing, I will bring to the notice of the board, and your objection, all the observation raised by the villagers, I will bring to the board as per the guidelines, which is notified the 39A.
See, I am really with a big heart. You being a very senior lady, I do not want to say anything else, but I am inwarding this. But we are not happy.
Yes.
We are not happy. Whatever is my discussion, I will have it with the TCP minister.
Yes.
We will put it in the assembly. But being a woman, I cannot even express, and I am feeling uncomfortable to even to be careful that I don't raise my voice. But we are not happy. We are not happy with your department. We are not happy with your position. You are holding and trying to convey to us what the government is saying. We are definitely not happy. And people of the Benaulim constituency has given you now so much objections. You please make sure that this notification what is there, this order what is there is taken back. Is taken back at least for these objections what has come. So my entire constituency I have brought in front of you. We are going to bring more objections. You have to please scrap this NDA proposal what is coming.